In this video, I am going to show you how you can install the Firebase tools on your Mac computer. So let's see how you can do this thing. At first, I am going to open terminal from this Spotlight search. If we click here, it will bring like that. And then here I am going to type terminal. And once I hit enter key, the terminal window will be opened. And here inside this terminal, we'll try to install the Firebase tool. So, and I'm using npm. So if you npm means node.js. So if you don't have node.js installed on your Mac, then before the installation, just start installation of node.js. You can start installation node.js graphically or command prompt. Anything is fine. So once you install node.js, then come to this page, I mean this video, and then try to install the Firebase tools on your Mac. So here I'm going to type on command which is called npm, that means the npm package manager, then install. And I'm going to install globally, so I'm going to use -g flag, and then I'm going to use the name of the tool which I'm going to use, which is called Firebase dash tools. And then once we type this entire line of command, then we have to hit return key of our keyboard, and very shortly you will see some small text-based graphics will be there, and you have to wait till it finished. Once it is finished, then we'll basically get the confirmation that Firebase tools has been installed successfully. We have to wait till it is finished, and here it is showing that it is done. Once the Firebase tools is installed successfully, then we need to log in the Firebase. So I'm going to type the command Firebase, then login, and then hit return key, and very shortly it will give us this type of message like enable Gemini in Firebase feature. I'm not going to install that, so I'm going to choose no, and allow Firebase to collect CLI. No, I'm not interested to collect the data and share. And then finally it will try to open the browser, and here we need to log in our Google account. So I'm going to click here my username, and then there is couple of options up there. We have to allow all of them, and very shortly it will give us the message Firebase CLI login successful. Now you can close this thing, we don't need it anymore. And here it is showing the message success logged in for the username. So this is my username of my Firebase account, and that's it. In this way we can easily like install the tools like Firebase tools, and also logging our Firebase account from this terminal.